This is a recording called We Love Being Homeowners. Whenever it rains hard enough out of the north, this north-facing bay window becomes a sieve for water. Not at the juncture of the window, mind you, but at the juncture between the window and the wall. It only happens 2 or maybe 3 times a year, but this is what it looks like when it happens. We have tried replacing and sealing the flashing at the top of the roof, thinking that maybe it was coming in the top. We have tried caulking the outer edges of the awning, which you can't see on the outside. We caulked those just recently, and this is definitely the worst it has ever been.